This morning, the water started leaking from the ceiling. First, it was coming from this crack here, and then it started actually dripping through this piece, brown water. We put garbage pails to catch the water. That was at 11 a.m. It is now 7:18 p.m. The resultant mess from the spill was never cleaned up by maintenance, although we called them several times to clean it up. We had to take the computer that was stationed on this desk apart because there was water dripping down onto it.